Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to add my welcome to the captain. My name is Darren. It's my pleasure to be the purser in charge of this flight. I'd like to extend my welcome to our Executive Club card holders and other well-known frequent flyers. Joining me in the cabin this afternoon is Hayley, Kate and Sarah. We'll shortly commence your in-flight complimentary service. Just for information, there are 3 washrooms located on board. There's one at the front in the club cabin and there's 2 at the back in the traveller cabin. These can be used once the seatbelt signs have been switched off, and as we do operate a strict no smoking policy, they've all been fitted with highly sensitive smoke detectors. We suggest that whenever seated you keep your seatbelt securely fastened. If you are travelling on a passport from outside of the EU, you will be required to fill in a landing card, which you must keep with your passport for immigration purposes. However, if you are in direct transit onto international destinations upon your arrival in London, then you do not need to fill one out. Once again, this is for passengers travelling on non-EU passports and who are not in direct transit. If there's anything myself or any member of the cabin crew team could do to make your flight more comfortable, then please don't hesitate to contact any one of us. All we ask now is that you sit back, relax and enjoy your short flight with us this afternoon.